I'm really excited about this feature that we added recently. It's not obvious, but meaning it's not obvious to find. Sorry about that. But once you see it, you'll start using it, especially if you sell any items that have variations. All of you in retail who sell apparel, uh, hopefully you're using item variations because it's a lot easier to set up variations. We'll make sure there's a link to the video where we talk about how to set up variations. So the purpose of this video is just to show you how easy it is to purchase or receive or sell items that have variations. Typically, when you're selling items with variations, you're just scanning the barcode, right? Whether it's a UPC code or any other barcode. So that's pretty easy because you're just scanning what the customer has in their hand. However, if you're a wholesaler, if you're doing mail order type business, which yes, that's still around, and you're selling in quantities and you want a quick way to sell those variations, you're going to absolutely love this video. So I'll just go into receiving items, and let's say I'm receiving this particular shirt. So in this case, this is the actual parent item. What I can do is actually simply go in here, and now this variation you'll see is a hyperlink. So what does this do? Bam. Quickly lets you specify what are you receiving. Well, I'm getting 5 small ones, 2 large black ones. I ended up with 3 green medium ones and 10 of these, 3 of these. Now, of course, in receiving, you may already have the barcode and you're just scanning, and it's super easy. But you can also do this same exercise if you're entering a purchase order. So I chose receiving, but again, I could be entering a purchase order. You are a buyer, you don't have the item right in front of you. So it's a whole lot easier and faster to quickly use the matrix, not like the movie The Matrix, but the actual matrix, color, size, style matrix, to quickly order those items. So again, it's the same exact screen, same exact exercise. If I want to, let's say, cancel this receiving and start a new purchase order, I can just go to purchase order, change it here. I can also go to the purchasing dashboard, go to purchase orders and click the button so I can start a new purchase order. And again, all I have to do is pull up my parent item or any variant, any specific variant, and I can just click that box and quickly enter the quantities. Again, if I'm entering a big sales order, someone's on the phone, or even if they came into the store and they're ordering stuff that you don't necessarily have in stock, and it's apparel or it's maybe fishing gear that has a lot of variations, hats, all kinds of accessories, a lot of times have variations. This is just a quick way to ring up quite a few items all at once. This is a massive time saver. I always get excited when we can introduce time-saving features for our point of sale system. So this is one of those that's long overdue. We're getting more and more customers that sell quite a lot of apparel, and this hopefully will help everyone. Make sure you scroll to the bottom, and when you click OK, it will take anything that you put in and just add it to your cart. Again, the cart being whether you're in the receiving, in the sales screen, in the purchase order screen, it all works the same way. So super excited about this feature, and thanks for watching this video.